I am making pepper soup today with this milk fish. I'm going to be making tomatoes pepper soup. These are the milk fish I will be using for this pepper soup. And these are tomatoes, already ground tomatoes. And these are all the spices I will use, all the ingredients I will use for this pepper soup. These are ginger and garlic, and also these are African pepper soup spices, ground chili pepper. These are turmeric. These are scent leaf, thyme, salt, and seasoning. So you all are welcome to my channel, Joy Cook Show. And if today is your first day on my channel, you are very welcome. My subscribers, thank you all, and please subscribe to this channel and see how I will make this very delicious pepper soup. Easy and very simple to make. Thank you now. So I want to start the soup cooking now. Right away, we're just going to add the tomatoes. So that is the tomatoes, and we're going to be adding the fish already washed. Add fish. So right now we're going to start adding all the ingredients. First we add the pepper, chili pepper. We have turmeric powder. We have the ginger, garlic, and the African spices. Everything. Then we had the seasoning, and we had salt. So right now we're just going to let it simmer for some few minutes. Then we can add a little bit of water to it, and then that's after it cooks for at least 10 minutes. That's when we want to remove it from the fire. That's when we will add all the scent leaf and the thyme to it. So thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel. So let it cook for some few minutes now. So this is it. It's cooking so well. So it's time to add some water to it. Just gonna add some water to it so that it will have more liquid. So now at this very stage now, we're just gonna be adding all the remaining ingredients. Right now I'm gonna add some thyme. So I will add all this scent leaf, dried scent leaf. This is it. Just gonna let it cook for another 5 minutes. Then we'll serve it with stash. Thank you all for being here, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cook Show. So this is one of the tomatoes pepper soup you can eat. You will enjoy it. It's time to serve this soup. So you can see how, oh my god, this is very good pepper soup. This is very nice tomatoes pepper soup. Oh my god, the aroma is everything. This is so good. So it's time to serve it, and we're going to serve it with stash. So watch out and see the way I serve this soup. So it's time to serve this pepper soup. You can see how good it is. have to serve it now. So these are the fish tomatoes pepper soup. It's ready with starch, and this is how I make it. So delicious. And please, if today is your first time to my channel, my name is Joy. This is all I do here. I cook, I create my recipe, and I cook it. So subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. I was not able to show myself today because I was a little down the weather because of the cold. So have it. This is my great soup. This is wonderful soup I just made with this fish, make fish, tomatoes, pepper soup, and starch. Bye for now, and please subscribe to this channel, Joy Cook Show.